Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT Max 2, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset in order to remove screen lock. So to begin, what we want to do is just shut off the device, so hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration. Okay. And once it has, we want to hold volume up and power key simultaneously. So once more, volume up and power key. And once you see the logo of the device, you can let go. So now, let go. And from here, we want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, but we can't really touch it, so we need to use volume keys to navigate. Volume down to go down and up to go up. And use power key to confirm it. And once more, select yes and power key. Then you get a message at the bottom formatting data, and next thing we should see is data wipe complete. Yeah, there it is. And now Reboot System now should be selected by default, so all you need to do now is just press power key and let the device reboot and continue the process in the background. So this might take a minute or so, just be patient, and once it's finished we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and we can just simply set up the device. So let's just agree to that. Tap start. Gonna skip the SIM connection, skip network. We'll save a little bit of time so it won't look for updates. Tap on next, accept, skip, add now, and skip anyway. And we're now on the home screen, as you can see. And the screen lock is now gone. So that is basically how you would perform a hard reset, so you can remove screen lock. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.